Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a Truelancer account for freelancing, for your freelancing purposes. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright, so first of all, you just have to open up your internet browser and then just go to google.com, and here you just have to search for Truelancer here like this, and then you have to just click on the first link and then just click on the three lines in the top right corner of the screen and then just click on sign up, and here you just have to fill in all of this basic information and then just click create account. And this is how you create your Truelancer account for freelancing. The steps are going to be pretty similar on a laptop or computer device if you do it on the website. So this is how you do it, guys. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.